Welcome to Mus Invest in Cambodia. Today we are in the largest factory here in Phnom Penh with Mr. Ben.
Hi everyone, thank you Ivan.
Thank you very much for bringing me here. This is the largest factory in Phnom Penh, and would you like to give more information about this factory?
Sure, welcome to Gopeng factory. This is one of the biggest garment factory in Cambodia. Our group have around 30,000 workers, and then this is one of our biggest factory. We have a total of 8 factories in Cambodia, so this is the biggest one. In this factory, we have around 8,000 workers here. So basically, we do sweaters. We are the global top 4 sweaters manufacturers. So if you go to Zara, H&M, Marks & Spencer, Superdry, or others big brand in the shopping mall, you will see our product. So we manufacturing mainly for sweaters. Especially in winter times, when you open your closet, maybe there's some product that made from this factory if they are made.
So this is one of the factories here, and they make hand stitching. You can see we are going to different departments. This is where the linking is done. You can see it's done with the fingers, and especially the ladies, then they can do this job because there aren't any machines at the moment that do the linking with the fabric materials. This is the place where there are the knitting machines. One knitting machine can cost up to $50,000 US.
Normally when we wear t-shirt or shirts, it's very simple, right?
Yeah.
But if you look at sweaters, you can see different types of knitting techniques have been applied. For example, somehow they got a wild collar, and then some of them were full of holes, you see? And then so that's why sweaters still need semi-machine and semi-hand. So you can see the capacity of the sweaters.
It's USB, right?
Yes, sir. So when you plug in, so they will follow the pattern, which are formulated in the USB.
USB is not USB.
You see all these yellow lines, we follow the ISO requirement. So this is the international safety requirement. And then we also have the first aid and rest room for those workers in case they have emergency sickness. So we have more than 10 warehouse like this. Each warehouse we have around 200 to 300 machines. So you can see when you look into those machines, it's like you can't see the end. So there is around one warehouse, around 200 to 300 machines.
200, 300 machines.
Yes. So each machine is equal to one Tesla.
Wow.
Model X. So this is one of our QC laboratories. Before they export, they need to go through some of the quality control procedures. For example, you can see this is the household washing machine. This is the hotel washing machine. This is the industrial washing machine. So they have to go through all these machines by washing for 2 hours, whether there will be anything that comes out. So if no, then the QC control, SGX control can be passed. So this is sunshine QC control. So basically under the sun, for more than 50 hours, whether the color will change, especially for those light colors or even white colors, under 50 hours of sunshine, their colors will turn a little bit dark. So this is one of the control for the color. So this is a laboratory for making different colors of sweaters. For example, we firstly make the colors of these sweaters. So if they want, for example, if they want dark green, if they want Christmas red, then we will just dye it within 3 days, and then we can ship all the way to Europe, US, or Japan. Indoor light, UV light, or different types to see the color.
啲 color 都係染落去嘅，因為
呢個就係跟個線㗎啦。So this is one of the 人造毛嚟㗎。This is the man-made product, but if you touch it, it looks like the Cashmere. Why we can be the global top 4 is because we can turn these materials into Cashmere hand feel. This is our secret. The secret is because like Cambodia's water is very long age, like the underwater. Like so that's why like inside the minerals it make the hand touch feel like cashmere, like very soft and smooth. Dry wash machines area. So like after the wet wash with washing machine, they do the dry wash. After the dry wash, they will separate those sweaters into different sizes, and then they will go to the iron department.
So this is where the packaging is. The packaging is done here. All the security here is quite strict because this is the final packaging before the goods are being exported.
So this is our finished goods warehouse. So you can see like now the whole garment have been completed and packed in a box. So like these boxes. So maybe in less than 1 month, they will be in
Thai Airways. How much goods do you export to other countries?
We export quite a lot, like almost 1 billion per year.
1 billion per year.
Yes.
Wow, that's impressive.
Let's go.
Dr. Ben, it was a pleasure to go around this huge factory. I just have a couple of questions that I would like to ask you. First of all, how many workers do you have in this factory altogether?
Altogether, like we have total of 8 factories. Like we have around 30,000 workers, like in Cambodia.
And what about you guys also have your own power plant for producing the power to generate the factory, or because you have told me that you use renewable energy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what about that?
Yes, sir. So the total cost for the electricity like is around 500K in total.
Okay. And yes, lastly, what can you say for investors that are willing to invest in Cambodian fabric? Because Cambodian fabric is renowned all over the world. What can you say about that? What is something specific or something great about Cambodian fabric?
Yes, sir. For Cambodia, like what I really want to say is like Cambodia is not just only real estate or tourism. In fact, like the whole country is the main economic activities they are manufacturing. So if you look at like Cambodian fabrics, like compare over the world, it's like Cambodia's got a very good environment like, for a manufacturer to export. For example, if they export made in Cambodia's product, they export in Europe, that would be almost like 0% custom duty. If they export to America, like the custom duty is also very low. And then they export to China, like almost like most of the commodities now export from Cambodia to China is around 2% custom duty, which is also extremely low. And then recently, like Cambodia also just signed a treaty in between the RCEP Regional Taxation Association. So like, it makes Cambodia very competitive to export from Cambodia to over the world. So it got like the lowest among all the countries compared with Vietnam, Myanmar, or like Thailand.
So last question: what are your main buyers for importing garments from your factory?
Our main buyer, including Zara, including Uniqlo from Japan, including UK brand like Mark and Spencer, Superdry. So like all these main players in the shopping mall, you can see they mostly are from Cambodia.
So contact us on our Facebook meta page or Instagram page or our two official websites. Contact us if you want to order any type of garment. Everything is available from this factory. And Dr. Ben, it was a pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you for your friendliness. And yes, thank you so much. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.